Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhyiddin Ibnu Arabi. Saya dari SMA 1 Jampalagian, kelas 11 Merdeka 5. Hari ini saya akan membacakan hasil karangan saya yang berunsur teks naratif, yakni adventure story yang berjudul Umbrella Corporation. Ping dikit gak ngaruh ya. In a school who has a laboratory in science in Russian, there is a boy named Brian who lives in Nakano. Her age is 17 years and he born 10 October 2004. He was schooled in an university called Technical School of Crown Prince Alexei. Brian likes making chemical reactions and creating new vaccine. His mother was a librarian at the school he attended, while his father is the principal of the university. Brian and his friend was making a new vaccine in the lab for his little sister who caught zebra fever, which is not just an ordinary fever. When the vaccine is almost ready, Brian's friend did an accident knock out a vaccine called T-virus. Brian doesn't care about this T-virus. It mixed up with the vaccine for his little sister. The vaccine is ready and will be given to Brian's little sister. After the vaccine has been injected to Brian's little sister, she felt a little better after being injected with the vaccine. At 2 o'clock in the evening, Brian's little sister felt very severe pain, and not long after that, her eyes turned red and immediately got up and attacked Brian. Luckily, Brian has karate talent and immediately knocked his sister unconscious by using his karate skill. Brian's friend immediately rushed into Brian's house after saying goodbye to his parents. After Brian's parents know about the situation, Mom and Dad's Brian so mad to Brian. Brian's dad feels so confused to Brian after know that Brian's little sister turned into a zombie, while Brian's mother collapsed unconscious on the floor. 15 minutes later, Brian's friend had arrived at the front door of the house and started knocking the door. Many times Brian tried knocking the door, but not one came out. He was forced to open the door and go to the room where Brian's little sister was resting. After finding out everything that happened, felt very guilty towards Brian and his family. After they both almost gave up, Brian's father told the location where there was an antidote for the T-virus. But Brian's dad didn't allow the two of them because all of the human, even the creature which in the experimental material become a zombie and have mutated in that area, and no one can access the entrance. Brian and his friends were admit their mistake and her torture. Her little sister, so they have to restore everything to normal, even if they sacrifice her own life. Brian and his friend got ready and head to the Umbrella Corporation, which is located in the middle of Russia at night. They stop for a moment and develop a strategy together. After the strategy one matured, they carried out the operation. They entered through the vent next to the access gate and started looking for the location of the antidote. They moved very carefully because there were lots of zombie noise beneath them. Not long after carrying out the search process, Brian's friend fell into one of the room, and there was a muted zombie who has immune to everything except water and methane gas. Brian panicked and immediately went down to help his friend. Brian with all his might attacked the muted zombies with friend. After a few minutes, Brian found a solution to defeat the muted zombies, but Brian's friend was bitten and infected in the leg. Brian quickly defeated the zombie and helped his friend find the antibiotic. After getting the antibiotics, they were happy, and Brian accidentally slipped and hit the siren button. They both were very panicked and had no choice but to fight. But Brian's friend's leg was infected, and only Brian could take the antibiotics home. Brian's friend told Brian to leave him and bring antibiotics for his little sister, but Brian doesn't want to leave his best friend who is infected. So he carried his friend with all his might, while his friend, who saw Brian's pursuit in saving him, helped by shooting Brian's back. After they left the Umbrella Corporation headquarters, Brian picked at the label of the antibiotic. After observing this antibiotic, he has a very strong vaccine element, even just a one drop. So Brian gave half of the vaccine to his friend. Brian's friends were crying and feeling proud of Brian, and Brian was happy that his friend didn't turn into a zombie. They both went home and Amar safely at Brian's house and immediately gave the antibiotic to his little sister. Brian was very sorry and immediately he hugged his little sister, who was slowly turning back into a human. After his little sister turned back into a human, he started to wake up and saw Brian hugging him with great passion, and his friend was asleep on the floor because of the exhaustion. On the other hand, his little sister didn't know what happened, but she hugged Brian, his older brother. In the morning, everyone has shocked and saw that Brian's little sister has returned back into a human being, and everyone cried with great love. Everything has returned to normal in Brian's life, and Brian makes his story that has a long past, has a personal memory, and that will not be happen anymore, and a new experience with valuable lesson. Singkat cerita, Brian dan temannya sedang membuat vaksin baru untuk adiknya yang terkena demam, dan itu pun bukan demam biasa, melainkan demam yang sangat serius. Setelah vaksinnya sudah jadi, Brian pun dengan bergegas ingin memberikan adiknya vaksin tersebut, tapi temannya tidak sengaja menyenggol vaksin yang satunya yang bernama T-virus yang memiliki unsur akan membuat seseorang berubah menjadi zombie seketika. Brian pun tidak memedulikan hal tersebut dan langsung memberikan kepada adiknya, tapi hal tersebut membuat Brian sangat menyesal karena adiknya tersebut setelah berubah menjadi zombie, dan ya itulah. Brian dan temannya pun sangat menyesal dan ingin memperbaiki masalah tersebut dan bergegas pergi ke Umbrella Corporation, di mana semua vaksin zombie dibuat di sana beserta mutasi-mutasi zombie atau hal-hal lain yang berunsur eksperimen lah. Setelah mereka mendapatkan vaksin tersebut, Brian dan temannya pun ingin pulang ke rumah, tapi teman Brian ini sudah terinfeksi dan tidak bisa lagi melanjutkan perjalanan pulang. Tapi Brian dengan sangat tidak tega meninggalkan temannya pun langsung berbagi setengah vaksin tersebut, karena vaksin tersebut mempunyai unsur elemen yang sangat tinggi dan bisa digunakan dalam jangka waktu yang sangat panjang, beserta satu tetes pun cukup ya. Dan Brian pun memberikan setengahnya kepada temannya, dan temannya pun menangis terharu kepada Brian dan segera bergegas pulang kepada adik Brian dan memberikan antibiotik tersebut. Setelah semuanya kembali normal, ya, Brian pun mengukir sejarah itu dalam pikirannya, dan selama hal itu tidak akan terjadi lagi, Brian pun akan selalu menjadi orang yang lumayan bisa diandalkan dalam hal eksperimen. Itulah cerita karangan dari saya, kurang lebihnya mohon dimaafkan, dan kalau masih terbata-bata ya mohon dimaklumi lah, orangnya memang begitu ya. Oke, sekian, terima kasih, wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.